This is Read Aloud Radio on SOCKZ. This next one's called Going on a Bear Hunt.
Do you want to go on a bear hunt? We will catch a big one. I am not scared, no. Oh look, grass, tall wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We'll have to go through it. Swish, 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 swish. We are going on a bear hunt, and we will catch a big one. I am not scared. Why should I be? Oh, look, a mushroom patch. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We'll have to go through it. Boing, 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 boing. We are going on a bear hunt, and we will catch a big, big bear. Oh yes, I am not scared. No, do I look it? Oh, a river, a cold, wet river. We can't go over it, and we can't go under it. We have to go through it. Splash, 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 splash. We're going on a bear hunt. Oh yes, and we will catch a big bear. I am not scared. Are you? Oh look, a cave, a dark, scary cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh, I'm afraid we have to go through it. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Oh no! 2 furry ears. 2 big eyes. 1 wet nose. It's a bear! I should not have gone through the tall wavy grass. Swish, 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 swish. I should not have gone through the mushroom patch. Boing, 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 boing. I should not have gone through the cold wet river. Splash, 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 splash. I should not have gone through the dark scary cave. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. I should have just stayed at home, because instead of catching a bear caught me.